Welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliana and I'm so glad you guys can make it. That was so weird. I don't know why it just sounded like that. Today I'm filming 5 side hustles you can do in college or high school to where you don't have to commit to a real job, because I know that life where like you get a real job and then you want to work part-time and then go to college or school full-time, and it just doesn't work out well. Especially not for me, because I am not a good multitasker. I can say that. I really don't like to keep a full-time job, so side hustles are really the way to go for me. Is you can like make your own schedule. It's a very flexible schedule. It's not a commitment. That's why I love doing side hustles, because you got so much flexibility with the side hustle. So I'm going to tell you guys 5 of my favorite side hustles that I personally like to do. I'm going to share them with you guys today. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Also, comment down below any video requests you have for me, because I would love to film videos that you guys enjoy. Let's get started. My first side hustle would be to dog walk. Now, I heard of a good app that you could use. It is called Rover, I think. I'm not sponsored by them in this video, but basically how that works is you have to pay for a background check, which they have 2 different options. They have a $25 one and they have a $35 one, and you just do that, and then you are a certified dog walker on Rover. And I'm pretty sure you make your own prices, and you can actually make up to like $1,000 to $1,500 a month. So that is a really good paycheck that you can get from Rover. Or if you don't want to do Rover, you can just like post on Facebook or Instagram and say, hey guys, so I want a dog walk. Hit me up if you need your dog to be walked. So Rover is a really good app because you don't just dog walk. You can like watch them in your house. You can do an overnight care. You can do little check-in appointments where it's like 30 minutes long. Rover is very flexible. You make your own prices and you actually can make your own schedule, so you don't have to dog walk and dog sit every single day. You can just make when you want to and how you want to. So yeah, dog walking is the way to go, girl. Second is babysitting. Get plugged in with a nanny job, because I actually babysit my neighbor's 4 boys very occasionally, but I also like to go on care.com and apply for jobs on there. Sometimes people will want a babysitter on there. There's a lot of opportunities for that, but mainly they want full-time sitters. So keep an eye out for like part-time sitter jobs, because those don't come along very well, or like one-time jobs don't come along very well either. You catch on to those, make sure to apply like super quickly, because those do fill up very quickly. So that's what I like doing. I can't like babysit full time, so I always like to like look on that app every single day and make sure I'm not missing out on any opportunities to make that money. So care.com is definitely the way to go, but if you don't want to go the care.com route, I also like to post on my Facebook wall and also say like, hey guys, who needs a babysitter tonight and or this weekend? I am free. And a lot of people surprisingly will share your post, or they will actually comment, hey girl, I need a babysitter, let me know if you're free. So that's the way to go as well. My third is actually sell your stuff. So like anything that you don't use, post on like Facebook Marketplace or Poshmark or OfferUp, because you can get some really good people on there and they will want to buy your stuff and like they'll buy it really quickly. So make sure to hop on there and like post things that you don't want, and they'll sell super quickly. So yeah, girl. My 4th tip is YouTube. Now this one is very vague, because you have to have a certain amount of followers, a certain amount of view hours or something like that. I personally don't make any money from YouTube yet. That's a good goal to work towards, because I know that YouTube, once you start getting a lot of subscribers and view hours, you will actually make very good profit from it. But that's not like the main thing about YouTube. The main thing about YouTube is that you love it and that you have a passion for it, because I have a passion for making videos and creating content. So I do it not for the money, but for the people, to give information and to help people out. That's why I do it, is to provide helpful information. Go girl! So yeah, I'm super awkward today and super hyper. My 5th and last way to side hustle is to share your skills. And this one is pretty tricky, because when I say share your skills, I don't mean to go strip at the nightclub, girl. No, that's a big no. So I mean, there's a lot of websites out on Google that will like have people that want you to write their essays for them, or like help them write their essays, or just different things like that, or help them create their social media account. Because I know a lot of people out there need a social media manager or a marketer or a person that is willing to help them grow their social media. So please keep an eye out for those. Those are really good jobs to look at as well. So yeah. That is everything for this video. I know it was really quick and I know it was really simple, but that's the thing about these videos. Alright guys, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button down below. And I love you guys so much. Bye!